In today's video, we reveal the best models on the market this year. We picked and reviewed each product for you and ranked them by price, quality, performance, and more. And you could see their prices and find out more information by using the links in the description down below. Now, let's get straight to the list.
Today, we will be taking a look at the best sewing machines to buy today. Number 5. Brother HC 1850. The Brother HC 1850 computerized sewing and quilting machine is a great model in general. And if you're a quilter, this sewing machine is even better. The Brother HC 1850 is reliable, flexible, and versatile. It is also easy to use and easy to transport. In fact, there's a built-in handle for easy portability, a must if you want to take your machine to a sewing class. The Brother HC 1850 has features that will appeal to crafters, quilters, and garment makers. For example, you can do free motion quilting with this model, which any quilter will appreciate. There's also a built-in monogramming sewing font that you can use to personalize garments, craft projects, and home decor items. Included are 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches, including letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9, 7 punctuation marks, and 8 specialty symbols. And have you ever tried to sew without enough light? Well, with the Brother HC 1850, there's a bright LED light that will ensure that your work area is always well lit. This will help you see the details while working on your projects, and the LCD display screen is backlit to ensure visibility. Number 4. Janome MemoryCraft 6500P. The Janome MemoryCraft 6500P computerized sewing machine is considered by many to be the best of the best in its price range. While it costs a little more than other sewing machines on our list, most would agree that it's worth it. The Janome MemoryCraft 6500P is a versatile, top-of-the-line sewing machine that you can use to make garments, quilts, home decor items, and more. Made to fit advanced sewing needs, this model has the power, speed, and precision you need to produce professional quality results. And it has plenty of features that will help you complete challenging sewing projects faster and easier. The Janome MemoryCraft 6500P is a great sewing machine for quilters. They will especially appreciate the advanced feed mechanisms that will allow them to sew even thick fabrics and materials. This sewing machine has a 9-inch by 5-inch throat space, which is good for working with large quilts. And for embellishing your projects, there are 5 blanket stitches, which are good for applique, and a hand-look quilt stitch. The Janome MemoryCraft 6500P has a jam-proof, drop-in 15-class bobbin system. The bobbin is extremely easy to change, and you can even wind a bobbin while you're actually using the sewing machine. The Janome MemoryCraft 6500P computerized sewing machine is packed with advanced features that any serious sewer will appreciate. Many professional sewers, like seamstresses and tailors, use this machine. In fact, if you make money sewing and you need a durable machine that works as well as some of the more expensive professional sewing machines on the market, you'll want to check out the Janome MemoryCraft 6500P. Number 3. Juki HZL F600 Sewing Machine. The high-end Juki HZL F600 computerized sewing and quilting machine is considered to be among the best of the best. It has the power to handle the toughest sewing jobs and is dependable enough to hold up to countless hours of regular use. Made with advanced sewers in mind, the Juki HZL F600 is also durable. With its hard case, metal frame, and durable parts, this machine was made to last, and its versatility is almost unmatched. In fact, its advanced computer system makes just about any sewing project you can think of possible. The Juki HZL F600 has 625 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and quilting stitches. The stitches are easy to select, and you can choose the stitch length and width that best suits your sewing task. When you edit a preset stitch, you can save your customizations for later use. And if you'd like to personalize some of your projects, there are 4 fonts included for lettering and numbering. The 7-point feed dog system can handle heavy fabrics and materials. How? Well, the feed dog adjusts to the thickness of the material you're using. Even if you're working with several thick materials layered together, the Juki HZL F600's box feed technology adjusts to the combined thickness. The Juki HZL F600 computerized sewing and quilting machine is a great choice for serious and experienced home sewers, especially those who spend a lot of time at their sewing machines. It is also a good pick for professional sewers who want a budget-friendly sewing machine that delivers professional quality results. Number 2. Brother CS6000i Sewing Machine. The Brother CS6000i computerized sewing machine is another budget-friendly model from Brother. However, this is a more advanced machine with a few more features. The Brother CX6000i computerized sewing machine isn't just affordable, it's also versatile and easy to use. And it's portable too, thanks to the hard carry case included with the machine. This is one of the most popular sewing machines on the market in its price range. Not only is it good at performing everyday sewing jobs, it is also a great sewing machine for quilters. For example, working on a quilt can be difficult when your workspace is limited, but the Brother CS6000i has a detachable, oversized table. This gives you the extra space you need when working on quilts or other large sewing projects. The Brother CX6000i also has a built-in free arm for sewing cylindrical items like sleeves, pants legs, and cuffs. The free arm also has a storage compartment where you can keep some of your sewing accessories. The Brother CX6000i computerized sewing machine is a great first sewing machine for beginners. It's also a good second sewing machine for more experienced users. If you're a sewer, quilter, or crafter on a budget, the Brother CS6000i might be just what you're looking for. Number 1. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Portable Sewing Machine. Many consider the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 computerized portable sewing machine to be the best sewing machine in its price range, and it's not hard to see why. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a versatile sewing machine that's perfect for quilting, garment making, crafting, and creating home decor items. It's also durable, thanks in large part to its heavy-duty metal frame. Are you a quilter, or do you work on other types of large sewing projects? If so, you'll appreciate the extra wide extension table, which will give you a larger surface to work on. There's also a needle up-down feature that makes free motion quilting, appliquing, and top stitching easier. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 has 600 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches. That's a lot of stitches. Fortunately, selecting a stitch is easy thanks to the push-button stitch selection feature. Not only that, but the 8 stitches you'll probably use most often are located on the front of the sewing machine. So, switching to those common stitches is even faster and easier, which will save you a lot of time. You'll also get a selection of 5 alphanumeric fonts, so you can add lettering to your projects. And let's not forget the 13 built-in one-step buttonhole styles. With its snap-on presser feet, built-in automatic needle threader, and backlit LCD display, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 computerized portable sewing machine was clearly designed to be easy to use, but its features make it a great pick for experienced and advanced sewers.
You can check out the prices of all the products mentioned on this list in the description below. Thanks for watching today's video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for more content like this.